Once upon a time, there was a king whose sorrow eclipsed even his vast riches. Though his coffers brimmed with gold and his lands stretched far, his beloved queen had died, and grief locked him in a small room, where he knocked his head against the padded walls in despair. Courtiers tried every comfort, grave and gay, but to no avail. His heart mourned until a mysterious lady, cloaked in black, arrived. In shared sorrow, the two spoke of lost loves, finding solace in each other. Companionship eased the king's pain, and, to the kingdom's astonishment, soon he married the sorrowful lady. The king had a daughter, Fiordalisa, radiant in spirit and beauty, while his new queen brought a daughter of her own, Turritella, raised by the fairy Mozilla. Turritella, however, was neither gracious nor fair, and the queen, jealous of Fiordalisa's charms, sought to diminish her in the king's eyes. When news arrived that King Charming, the most handsome prince in the lands, would visit, the queen wasted no effort adorning Turritella in splendor, yet left Fiordalisa with nothing. The gentle princess wore only her modest gown, but her humility made her shine all the brighter, and King Charming's gaze fell straight to her, ignoring Turritella's finery. Entranced, he declared Fiordalisa more precious than jewels.
More precious than jewels.
Stung by defeat, the queen confined the princess to a tower, spreading rumors to discredit her. Meanwhile, schemes ensued. The queen contrived for Turritella to meet King Charming by moonlight, deceiving him into believing her his beloved Fiordalisa. Tricked, he placed his ring on Turritella, but felt unease in his heart. Soon, by means of enchantment, he was whisked away with Turritella to the fairy Mozilla's castle.
I will not marry her.
Refusing to wed Turritella, King Charming's steadfastness incurred the fairy's wrath. She transformed him into a bluebird, doomed to 7 years of exile from Fiordalisa. As the years turned, Fiordalisa remained imprisoned. Yet each night the bluebird visited her at her window. Their love deepened through whispered songs and secret gifts. Grief-stricken, Fiordalisa escaped when her father the king died and the wicked queen was overthrown. Leaving her subjects to govern, she set out in peasant's disguise to seek her lost love. At last she arrived at King Charming's court, only to find him about to marry Turritella. Cleverly, Fiordalisa bargained her enchanted treasures for a night in the palace's Chamber of Echoes. Only on the third night, the king's draught was replaced with water. Awake, he listened to Fiordalisa's laments and recognized her voice. Rushing to her, the harsh enchantments shattered, the truth unfolded, and their love triumphed. The kingdom rejoiced at Fiordalisa and King Charming's wedding. Together they ruled with wisdom and kindness, and so happiness returned in abundance, testament to faithfulness rewarded even in the darkest hours. And so they lived happily ever after.